Morning guys, welcome to another forest frame. Today I've looked at this composition. I just went past in the car, and although it's raining in between and getting freezing right now, I'll just stop by and take this picture. So have a look at it, see what you think. Composition I'm going for. I'll do some B-roll just now. And I like the foreground with the daffodils. It suggests it's the start of spring. So I'm shooting for, 1/10 of seconds, f8, ISO 64. Surprisingly enough, there's not much movement in these daffodils over there. I can hear the wind, but I certainly can't see any movement, so we'll see how it fares. So as I say, I've not been shooting any photography since November last year. And, I have lost a bit of confidence. I feel my work has kind of diminished quite a lot. Sometimes we lose confidence of perceived threats and fear. Fear of being judged or rejected. And I'm hoping doing vlogs again will help me combat, these kind of feelings I have of insecurities of my work. And I feel like, I've dropped off quite a lot. And I just hope that I do pick up again, because if it doesn't, then I may just quit altogether. So I've come to another woodland, something that's a bit more appealing, and I'm looking at this image here. I like the whole setup of the trees here. With the right hand side you've got like a fallen tree, birch tree, and on the centre looks like an ash tree with a birch tree on the left hand side. They are touching, but there's a nice flow there. As you see, everything's kind of like meeting together. And actually what I might do is change to a 16:9 crop, just to get away a lot of dead foliage at the bottom here of the foreground. It doesn't look good. So I'm going to put it as a 16:9 crop, see if that takes away the distraction. So if it works out well, here it is. Guys, just be looking around the side of the forest again, looking at this tree. Just turn you around, and yeah, as I say, we're kind of looking down this slope here, and this particular tree I liked here, it's Stephen picked out, funny enough, but Stephen's worry was that I don't know if you can see it, but there's a pine tree, looks like a cedar pine tree that's sort of like a red, maybe Scotch pine. It's stealing the thunder a bit because it's right behind it. Now, what I said to Stephen is I took the back of the camera and I showed him that if you're shooting a a shallow depth of field like f.45, you can get rid of that. It doesn't look so prominent. And with technology of Lightroom, etc., you can dull down the reds a bit. It doesn't look too obstructing from that side. But this tree itself, by itself, it looks great. And the limbs of the tree as well is nice. It's not really been a day for great shots. It's been another day. 2 videos in a trot that I've had no success. It's been okay for some of the shots. Maybe the one I just took before this one is better. Okay guys, we're at our next composition. This one is just mainly trees on the left hand side of a pathway. And on the right you've got like all these kind of uniform pine trees. It's making it like a pathway to go through. And the struggle I've got just now is the light is quite high in the sky, the sun's quite high. So I'm going to have to wait a bit until the sun lowers a bit. So I'm going to take the shot anyway, set up the camera, see how it fares. If the image is any good, I'll put the image up just now. Well guys, thanks for watching this week's video, and yeah, I think doing vlogs you have to be truthful with people where you are in your stage of your hobby or career or whatever you're doing, and I feel like I've had to touch base with you all and tell you how I feel about my photography just now. Hoping better days come by. You know, I have done better things in the past, but right now I'm at an all-time low when it comes to my work, so I need to get myself inspired again, get out there and start taking shots again. I've had a lot of changes in my life, a lot of difficult things going on, personal things, and also moving house. So I really need to get back out there and start taking images again and get that kind of feel good factor back. Thanks for watching for another week guys, and videos, if you've just joined my channel, my videos are more upbeat normally, you know. So I will see you a week on Sunday, and have a good one. Cheery bye.